So today I'm going to teach you how to do manuals on roller skates. I'm going to demonstrate this trick for you, I'm going to show you, and then I'm going to break it down step by step so you can learn how to do it. I'd even encourage you, you can take this tutorial with you when you go out to street skate or flat ground skate and watch it and work through the steps and pause as you try each part of this tutorial. I'm Brianna and I go by my skate name here, Simon Slays. My channel is a resource for roller skaters to help you progress, improve, learn how to skate, and give you some tips, tutorials, and tricks along the way. I love teaching roller skating, and I really enjoyed doing this past series, Outdoor Roller Skating Trick for Roller Skater. Let's start off first. What is a manual? What is this trick? So a manual essentially is where you balance on one of your trucks. 2 wheels down, 2 wheels up. So typically it's the front truck or the front wheels that are lifted and then the back ones stay down, and you balance for as long as you can on just those wheels. I learned it as a park skating trick. So this is actually borrowed from a skateboarding trick. And on roller skates, it's very similar. It's the same thing, only you obviously have 2 more sets of trucks because each roller skate is like a skateboard in itself. You do the same move, but you do it on both skates. So what you're gonna do to do a manual is essentially you're gonna roll forward, lift your front trucks up, and then you're gonna balance on your back trucks. Now you can do this as a variation. So I'm gonna show you my variation of this, which I think is the easiest way to learn when you first start learning how to manual, which is you balance your back truck with your front trucks up in the front on whatever your lead foot is in front of you, the foot that you put forward, and then your back foot, which is behind you as you skate forward, you lift your heel and you keep your front trucks down and you balance on the wheels inside and you have your front and back trucks up. So this is what that looks like. You can also manual with both your front trucks down and your back trucks up, or your back trucks down and your front trucks up. I'm going to teach you your front truck up on your foot that's forward and your front truck down and your back truck up on your back foot. So that's what I'm going to be teaching you today. And obviously you can learn it both your front trucks up and your back trucks down, or both your front trucks down and your back trucks up. Whatever you prefer, but I'm going to do the combo of both like this. So it's kind of just making a V with your skates. Make sure that you adjust your toe stops before you do this trick and make sure they're not going to be dragging or catching on the ground. And other than that, I do recommend wearing some safety gear just to protect your body. Okay, let me break down the steps for you for how to manual. I would start off first by just rolling forward and just lifting your toe, and then add in your back heel, lifting your back heel. You can just practice this movement and just lift it a little bit at first and try to balance. And then as you continue to practice this, just keep doing that more and more, and you'll kind of get a feel for it. Essentially, the skills that you need to be able to do this trick is you need to be able to roll forward with moderate speed. You don't have to go super fast. I think this move is easier if you go faster, but you can start off slow and increase your speed and do it with more speed as you progress and practice this trick. The second skill that you're gonna need to be able to do this trick is balance. This trick is all about balance. The distance you want to put your feet between each other is up to you. Make sure that you're keeping your feet staggered as you do this and you're always rolling. The trick itself, you do it rolling, because the more speed you have and the more speed you go into this trick doing it, the longer that you can do it. I would recommend just starting with some speed and using that to your advantage as you're doing the manual. And that is how you manual. I hope that this helps you. As always, the more you practice this, the more you will progress and the longer you'll be able to do the manual. Kind of the point of this trick is to manual as long as possible. So to integrate this trick into a couple different styles, this is a cool move that you probably could use at the rink. Just skating around to show that you can balance on your skates. You can definitely build on this to learn some jam and rhythm skating moves. I definitely know there are a lot that require you to balance on just two skates or your front trucks or your back trucks. So this is a good skill in general to learn. I learned it as a park skating trick, and it kind of mimics the manual on a skateboard. So yeah, you can throw this trick in on a box, a manual pad, across a ledge. You could do it after you jump out of a bowl. There's so many cool ways to throw this in. I really feel like it's kind of one of those flat ground tricks that you can just throw in there and it'll add some style to whatever else you're doing on skates. So yeah, if you do this, make sure you tag me on Instagram. I love seeing those. I hope you do try it, and if you already know how to do it, what's one way that you can integrate this move into your own skate style and put your own little unique signature on it? You can always take a trick and take it one step further and make it your own. So I hope you do that, and I hope you have fun with this. Thanks so much for watching. And be sure before you go to comment below anything I can help you on. If you need some tips or tutorial, I'm happy to do that. And I'm always filming for my channel new videos. So yeah, I'm excited to put out a whole bunch more. We're almost to the end of this series, but be sure to check out the rest of those videos in the description box below. I linked them, and I also have a playlist on my channel if you just want to watch the whole thing and see all the videos that I've made teaching different roller skating moves for outdoor skating. Be sure to hit that like button and let me know that you enjoyed this video if you did. I put a lot of time and effort and energy, physical energy, into these videos, and I just appreciate so much knowing that you enjoyed it and you found it helpful. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy that you're here and watching my videos. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and to hit that bell notification because YouTube will actually notify you when I upload a new video. That's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye!